好快啊你！你知唔知你而家咩 colour？
Pink.
哦哦哦哦！轉個顏色。哦哦哦。Oh. Afternoon. Oh, change color again. Afternoon tea. I've got the parma ham, gouda ciabatta, and then this is the chicken burger. Oh, look at that cheese. And then this is grapefruit tea. So this is the strawberry Napoleon, and then this is the white chocolate cinnamon cake. Dinner time, and we have some vegetables with some egg. Then we have the salted tofu with mushrooms, and then we have the Cantonese style beef, and then soup and rice. Yes, Korean barbecue time. We got this, you got this, and we got this for free. I got this for free, and this upgrade. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. There's the beef and the pork on the side. Now there's mushrooms going on. I'm already eating. It's so good. It's so good. Here, try. How good. So this is the beef right now, and then this is marinated potatoes that are going on. The mushrooms are done. The pork I've already eaten, and then there's gonna be more food. Do you know what this is? If you say grass, nope, it's avocado. It's an avocado salad. I have some grilled sushi. Yes, grilled sushi. And then this is like, I think it's crab roll. Yes, this is my favorite. And these, it's still actually hot. So this is a beef crab stick, egg, spinach roll. So we have the Alaskan scallop clam, octopus, tuna, some type of fish, salmon, and then prawns. And this is all sashimi. So this is another roll, tempura prawns. That's deep. Oh, it's not deep fried. It's covered in sushi. Okay, there you go. Your birthday present. Go on.
What is?
Wait, what do you think it is actually? Before you open.
Herbs.
Okay, herbs. You can shake it. You're allowed to shake it.
Powder?
Powder. Okay.
Maybe. I don't know.
What? You can. Is it heavy?
Yep.
Heavy for the size?
Like, yes. Some.
Give me 3 suggestions that it could be. Tell me what it could be. 3 things. Might be.
It won't break, right?
No.
A frame?
Maybe. Maybe the box is just a box. Maybe there's a box within a box. Okay, a frame 1.
Snacks.
Okay, snacks 2. Herbs. Okay, wait. Okay. You can open if you want.
I want it. Purple?
I've never seen someone open a wallet like this. It's sewn in.
I thought it is separate.
No.
Who is Kindle 225. Who is Kilo? Don't tell me we have the same one.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
I made it.
Thank you.
Lunchtime or brunch, I've got Kelvin rice made from rice flour with some clams, mushrooms and beef. Here is just clams and rice noodles. So we have some grilled sausages right here. I think this one's chili and this one's just black pepper. It's raining so bad right now. I have my wellies on. I'm glad I have my freaking nearly knee-high wellies. My umbrella's leaking. My umbrella's leaking. Shit. This is a cheap ass umbrella. Shit. Yeah, so walking, umbrella. So fucking wet. So wet.